we have completed our first chapter. We are going to study the second chapter, that is components of food. Components of food. Components nu annalanda. What are the things present in a particular food? Okay. Shall we start the chapter? We have already discussed about different types of food, right? Different types of food we are eating in different places. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the components of food, that is the things we get from that food, or how we can identify different components of food present in. We have already studied about balanced diet. A balanced diet is very much important to us. We have to eat every type of food that which is needed to our body. We have to eat food containing carbon dioxide, proteins, minerals, fats, etc. Right? In this chapter, we are going to study about different components. In last class, we have studied about ingredients that is needed to prepare food. Each of the ingredients contain different components. These components are called nutrients. Nutrients are very essential for the proper functioning and building of our body. Each nutrients have their own function, such as carbohydrates help us to grow. Proteins makes us strong and healthy. Vitamins and minerals protect us or gives us a strong immunity system. Okay? The major nutrients present in our food are carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, dietary fibers, etc. Do all food contains all these nutrients? Never. Particular food contain some of these nutrients. We can find out the nutrients present in each food by doing some test. We can find out the presence of carbohydrate by using iodine solution or tincture iodine. Okay? For that, we have to take some food. We have to take some food which we have to check. For that, take a raw food and add some drops of iodine solution. Observe it. If you see a change in color, that is, it turns to blue-black, it shows that that particular food contains carbohydrate or starch. This is the test for finding starch. Okay? This blue-black color indicates the presence of starch, that is carbohydrate. Next is test for proteins. If you want to test solid food item, we have to powder it or crush it or smash it. We have to make it small. Then add 10 drops of water. First of all, we have to put this small amount of food in a clean test tube. Whenever we are doing any test, we have to clean the test tube or the things we are conducting experiments. So, put the food into a clean test tube, add 10 drops of water, shake it well. After that, put 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. ആദ്യം ഫുഡ് സ്മാഷ് ചെയ്യുകയോ പൗഡർ ചെയ്യുകയോ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ക്ലീൻ ടെസ്റ്റ് ട്യൂബിൽ ഇട്ട ശേഷം you have to add 10 drops of water, shake it well. After that, you have to add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. And then 10 drops of caustic soda solution. 10 drops water add chedu, 2 drops copper sulfate solution add chedu, again 10 drops of caustic soda solution add chedu. Then we have to shake it well. Then keep this test tube apart for few minutes. If the solution turns violet, that indicates the presence of protein. Which color indicates the presence of protein? Violet color indicates the presence of protein. Next is test for fat. Take a small amount of food, wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Take the paper, does not tear. Take care that while crushing this food, you have to take care that the paper have to be in perfect form. That is, it does not tear. കീറി പോകാൻ പാടില്ല. നമ്മളത് ക്രഷ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം ഒരു ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റം പേപ്പറിൽ നല്ലോണം റോൾ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ട് അത് ക്രഷ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം റാപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് ക്രഷ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം അത് പേപ്പർ കീറി പോവാതെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. റൈറ്റ്? Now straighten the paper. അത് നല്ലോണം ക്രഷ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പേപ്പർ സ്ട്രെയിറ്റൻ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയാൽ if you see oil patches in it, that is the presence of fat. The food item contain fat. The food item may sometimes contain a little water. Therefore, after you rub an item on paper, let the paper dry for a while. Food items il water inde presence undavum. Appo nammal adu crush ചെയ്ത് പിടിക്കുമ്പം it will contain water also. അപ്പോൾ അതിലൊരു വാട്ടർ കണ്ടന്റ് കാണും. അത് ഡ്രൈ ആയതിനു ശേഷം മാത്രം ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക whether there is oil patches or not. Okay? We have tested we have studied the test for carbohydrate, proteins and fats. Not only these are present, these nutrients, there are vitamins and minerals also present in the food. Now we can study how these various nutrients do in our body. Help us. Carbon dioxide mainly provide energy to our body. Fat also gives us energy. In fact, fat gives much more energy than carbohydrate. Carbohydrate na compare fats are giving more energy to our body. Food containing fats and carbohydrates are called energy giving food. The food which contain carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving food. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. നമ്മുടെ ബോഡീൻ്റെ ഗ്രോത്തിനും റിപ്പയറിനും എസെൻഷ്യൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ന്യൂട്രിയൻ്റ് ആണ് പ്രോട്ടീൻസ്. We have to eat protein rich food. So, food which contain proteins are often called bodybuilding food. Carbohydrate and fat contain food in energy giving food, and food which contain proteins are called bodybuilding food. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Diseases protect vitamins. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gum healthy. Nammude kannum, ellum, pallum okke healthy aayittu keep cheyan help cheyyunnathu vitamins aanu. There are different types of vitamins. Vitamins are of different kinds. Some of these are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. These are the more important vitamins. There are vitamins called vitamin B complex. Our body needs all types of vitamins in small quantities. Nammala body ki ella type of vitamins right amount li kittanam. These vitamins helps in different ways. Vitamin A helps in the vision of our eyes. C helps the body to fight against diseases. And now the present situation which vitamins is essential. Vitamin C is very essential for us because it increases our immunity. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Vitamin D nammada body le calcium absorption help you. That is essential for teeth and bones. Food that are rich in different vitamins are shown in the figure in the textbook. Okay. Vitamin A rich ആയിട്ടുള്ള vegetable ആണ് carrot. പിന്നെ fish liver oil is very essential, means rich in vitamin A. Papaya vitamin A, milk it is rich in vitamin A. Vitamin C, that is citrus fruits are mostly rich in vitamin C, that is orange, lemon, amla, means a fruit which can, or vegetable which is little bit endha paraya puli taste ulla fruits are usually vitamin C rich aayittulladu. Vitamin D, it is butter, egg, and we get vitamin D in some quantity from our sun. Okay. Minerals are needed to our body in small amount. Like carbohydrate, proteins, fats and vitamins, minerals are also essential for our body for the proper growth and maintenance of good health. Most of the food items usually have more than one nutrients. And some food contain more nutrients, one nutrient more, that is rice contain carbohydrates in large amount. These, along with this, we need dietary fibers also. Dietary fibers are also known as rohage. This rohage is mainly provided by plant products, whole grains and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables are main sources of rohages. These rohages never give any proper nutrients, but it is essential for the it is essential in the digestion process. It helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Undigested food nammada body nu olvakkan vendi help cheyyunnadana rohage. Okay. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Water which is helped our body to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in throwing some waste from our body as urine and sweat. Water helps to give out waste as urine and sweat. We have to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Next is balanced diet. You have to eat a balanced diet. If we didn't get enough nutrients, that is enough amount of every nutrients, there is no use of that having food. So we have to eat every type of food or food which contain every nutrients, that is carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, fats and roughage, everything. So we have to eat a balanced diet. Eating the right kind of food is not enough. Nammal right kind of food means adu matram pora. It should be cooked properly. If we overcooked the food, the nutrients will be lost. Proper aayittulla food select cheyda matram pora. It should be cooked properly. Okay, overcooked may result in the loss of some vitamins. The skins of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, repeated washing of rice and pulses may remove some vitamins and minerals present in them. If we continuously or wash these items many times, it will lose its minerals and vitamins. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food but makes it easier to digest and cooking improve the taste of food and helps to digest it easier. At the same time, cooking also results in loss of certain nutrients. Chela nutrients okke cook cheyidu kayinjal adu nashtapettu povum. Example aanu vitamin C. Vitamin C will be lost easily when it is kept in heat or when it get heated. Also, compared to carbohydrate, fat are richer in giving energy. But nammal koranja amount of fat കഴിക്കുന്നതും കൂടുതൽ ഒരു ബൗൾ നിറയെ റൈസ് കഴിക്കുന്നതും കുറച്ച് ഫാറ്റ് റിച്ച് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കുന്നതിലും ബെനിഫിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവുക ഫാറ്റ് റിച്ച് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, it can be very harmful for those who eat much fat rich food. നമ്മൾ ഇതൊക്കെ കണക്കിലെടുത്ത് എനർജി ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഫാറ്റി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫുഡ് മാത്രം കഴിച്ചാൽ ഇറ്റ് ലീഡ്സ് ടു എ കണ്ടീഷൻ കോൾഡ് ഒബിസിറ്റി, പൊണ്ണത്തടി. പൊണ്ണത്തടി എന്നുള്ളൊരു കണ്ടീഷനിലേക്ക് മാറും ഓവറായിട്ട് ഫാറ്റ് ഈറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ. Then there are certain diseases which is caused by the deficiency of these nutrients. The diseases caused by the deficiency of certain nutrients are called deficiency diseases. Okay, let us check about the deficiency diseases. Diseases caused by different minerals, vitamins and all like that. We have already studied, told that we have to eat every nutrients in right amount. If we didn't get proper nutrients for long time, we will be deficient on that nutrient. If we have if we get less amount of vitamin A, there will be a complaint in our eyesight. Poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, night vision. Sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin A in the deficiency karanam, we will if we have that deficiency, we will lose our vision. Vitamin B1, deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Beriberi symptoms of beriberi are weak muscles and light and very little energy to work. Beriberi ennu parna asugathinte symptoms aanu weak aayittulla muscles പിന്നെ ലെസ് എനർജി ആയിരിക്കും. വൈറ്റമിൻ സി ഡെഫിഷ്യൻസി ഡിസീസ് സ്കർവി, ബ്ലീഡിംഗ് ഗം, wounds take long time to heal. വൈറ്റമിൻ സി ഡെഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ബ്ലീഡിംഗ് ഗംസ്, വായിലൊക്കെ while we are brushing it will bleeds Also, if we get wound, it takes time to heal. Next, vitamin D, it causes rickets. Bones soft avum, pinne bend aayi thodangum, adokkana rickets inde symptoms. Calcium, it is lack of calcium leads to weakens the bone and tooth decay. Weak bones, tooth decay are the symptoms. Iodine, goiter. Glands in the neck appear swollen. ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ പൊങ്ങി കിടക്കുന്നത് തോന്നും, അതാണ് goiter. പിന്നെ mental disability in children, അതും അയഡിൻ്റെ ഡെഫിഷ്യൻസി കാരണം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതാണ്. അനീമിയ, അയൺ ഡെഫിഷ്യൻസി കാരണം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതാണ് അനീമിയ. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ക്ഷീണം, തളർച്ച. ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ഈ ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നത്. So we have completed the second chapter. It deals with different nutrients in food, how we can find out the different nutrients, and other than nutrients we need vitamins, minerals and water, also roughage. Next we told about the importance of each nutrients, energy giving food, protective food, and next body building food. Like that also we have studied about different vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K are the important, some of the important vitamins, and we have told about vitamin B complex and deficiency diseases and its symptoms. Hope all of you understood the chapter. Thank you.